What's up guys, welcome once again to another video. In this video we'll talk about how you're going to create your own website by yourself. Alright guys, so I'll walk you through on how to do that in a very simple way without writing any line of code at all. I believe one of the reasons why people are scared of all this website of a thing is the fact that they think we want to write some CSS, C++ and JavaScript, Python, programming language and the rest. No, the world has gone beyond that. Technology keep advancing every day to make things easier, faster and better for us. So in this website design video, now I'll be walking you through how to do that using WordPress. All right, so but before that you'll be needing two things very important. The first thing you need here is, let me just show you. You need hosting and domain. And in this current video I want to do now, I'm not going to be covering that part, and that is why I'll refer you to the video I've done. The reason why I want to cover that part is because I've done that video. Here is it: how to buy Whogohost hosting and domain. So you could go back, go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link in my description below. So you just click there and you watch how to buy that. And the second video you have to watch is how to install WordPress on cPanel. And after that, then you can jump back on the current video you're about to watch. All right. So that's this video. This one I want to watch now is actually the video. When you watch those two videos, how to buy domain and hosting and how to install WordPress on cPanel, you will have a very strong foundational knowledge on how to do these things. So when you come to this part, which is your dashboard, you will not be confused anymore. You'll be on the same page with us. All right, so having said that, let's jump straight away to the business. So the first thing, when you've gotten all those things, you are right now on your dashboard. What you have to do now is to install your theme. And the theme, to install a theme, you come down to your appearance on these tools. If you want to learn all these tools, how these tools works, I have also a video on that. You could just go to my YouTube channel. I will drop the link in the description. You can see WordPress dashboard tools. So this video will teach you every tools, what are their functions and the rest. So that's for that. And please, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. I make videos on WordPress, on web design and graphic design and the rest, as you can see on my screen. So when you come to this side, you want to install theme, you come to appearance. You get to appearance, you can see theme here. You hit on that theme, appearance rather. So this is a theme I have currently, and I'm going to show you how I was able to install and activate it. So I will come to this new, add new here. I'll hit on that, and you could see this is a theme library where WordPress supplies you over 4,000 plus free theme that you could use to start up your website. All right, though they are premium ones, but all these ones here are free that you could just start with. So what you do here now, if you're looking for a particular theme, the theme I'm going to be using is called Astra theme. So I will hit on it now, and here it is. So as you see here, it has been installed and also is activated. This is the current theme in the website right now. So let me just show you how the theme works. What does theme does? Theme is basically the framework of how your website is going to be, just like a skeleton of how your website is going to be. So if imagine how your website is going to look like, it's the work of the theme. All right, so what is the okay, that's the work of the theme. So to do this, what you have to do now is to come here and install it. Please, not this one, not the second one. It is this one here, the first one here. You install, you're going to see install and activate. After installing, to bring activate for you, then you do that. So it will write installed for you here. So I've installed that. So the next thing we need here is plugin. Go down to this plugin here. You can see add new plugin. So I'll hit on that and it takes me to this place. The plugin I will be needing now is starter starter site, starter template. All right, so this is a plugin. What does starter template does? Starter template is a plugin that help us to make our website design faster and easier. It has been that over time, even with the non-coding stuff, you don't write coding and the rest, people are still like, oh, I don't know where to even start. Like newbies don't even understand how their website should look like and the rest. So, but with the help of this starter template, you've been given a pre-made template, bunch of pre-made templates, which you can just look at, and you could just import and change one or two things, and here you go, you have your website immediately. Isn't that sound nice and good to you without stressing your life? No, working hard and hard and hard, having sleepless night and the rest over time while you're designing a website. But note this, not all websites are so fast and easy as that. But basically, as a beginner, this is the beginning of everything. You have to understand this part first before you begin to advance on how to do more harder ones that are more than this. Okay, so what we do here now, this has been installed and activated, just as you can see. So on your own end, just do the same thing, install it, and after install it, you activate it. So after doing this, we're going to leave here now. I will show you how the site looks like now. After I've installed my theme, this is the front end, how it looks like. So the next thing we will do here now, we're going to go down to this theme. So let's see the theme that we've currently installed. All right, so you can see here now, this Elementor, I did not install it. The WP form, I didn't install it. The reason why it's here is because before the video, I did a kind of check, a kind of test to see the performance of this particular plugin, and that is during the course of the installation of these plugins. These two themes, this plugin rather, the Elementor and the WP form, automatically was installed. That is how it will be. If you do the same thing, you will have the same result. All right, so we'll come to C library now. This is where the bunch of templates are. So let's go there now and pick one template, so we could just change one or two things and see. So these are a bunch of templates you could just lay hold on. You can see premium, those one written premium, they are the ones you will pay some token, and you have it for life. So, but if you don't really want to pay anything as a beginner, of course, you don't really have money, or even though you have money but you don't know how it will look like, at least you have to learn what you want to do before you even start paying for it. Okay, so you just come down to this place and tick on free. So all the free themes will be popped up for you. Okay, so you could just lay hold on any of these free ones. These free ones are looking cool, looking good. You could just lay hold on them. I'm going to show you how to pick one and change it, twist it to your own taste, or customize it rather. So based on what you want to do, are you on any niche at all, you could just come here and pick any type of business, a kind of template that represents or that talks more about a business. All right, so I'm just trying to show you more of this thing, so you could just see how it goes. Now if you look at this place now, I want to go with this personal fitness trainer. I really love this fitness trainer, like weight loss and the rest. So I will go with this one here now. I will click on this, and the next thing I will do here is you could see from this place, from this end now, something is here, and there's something I was having here. We're just having only one template, and that's just not what I want. So because of this one page rather, we'll not go for it. So let's go back. One page, we don't want a one-page website, we want a complete website. So I'm still searching and also taking you through the template, so you can just see how everything goes. Like, I know within you now, you would have like been thinking, oh god, the site I want to build, the site I want to build, the site I want to build. So I think something related to business will serve better. Yeah. Not even starting with something like animal stuff and the rest. I think this car wash should be better. Okay, so I'm having a car wash template here, a pre-made template. So I have my pages now. All these things you see, you could see the reason why I don't want to use the first two we picked the other time. It only has home page, and I don't really want a home page. Home page is just like a website with just a single page. Is like, it's called a simple page website, or so it's referred to like a landing page or sales page or whatever. So, but this case, as the case may be now, this is different. This has a service page. You can see how it looks like. It has an about us page. It has wash menu, like their charges for you to see the type of, if you need a particular basic wash, this is the how you're going to wash it, and this is the amount it's going to cost you. And the next one, contact, where you're going to put in your contact. You're going to contact them, or you want to email them, you want to their address and the rest. So this is just what I really want. So what we do here now, for you to see, you don't want to import it immediately. You just want to see how the website looks like, if you in the real sense of it. Okay, so just come to preview site down here. Preview site down here. So you can see how it's going to look like. So this is how the site is going to look like when you finally import it into your site. So let's go back to this now, and you have import complete site here. You have import contact import contact template. That means you want to import just a single page of this template. So what I'm going with the import complete site, so everything is going with us. All right, so guys, I hit on this now, why the thing start importing. So just a few questions here. So I'm going to fill a few questions here. Next, and I don't want to answer this, so just hit on skip, and straight away the magic is processed for you. So let's wait why this is being processed. So all the templates, everything is being, as in the magic, understand now, they are all being put inside your website now. So when we finish it up now, we check the site and see how it's going to look like after this is done. Then I want to show you how to touch one or two things. So import complete, that's very good. The website imported successfully. Close. So let's hit on view site and see how it's going to look like. Okay, so let's view the site, or you come to this site, you can see view site here. So but I'm going to use this, open it a new tab and see how it's going to look like. So guys, so you have this already. Okay, so what you have here is actually the name of the site name, which I will show you how to change it. No problem about this. So you have your service, you have your about, you have your wash menu, as in the list of what you charge in washing, and pictures of those charges and the rest, the washing cars, how it looks like. So that's for that. So when you come to this place now, this has been done. So let's just start with how to manipulate, how to be around all this. So come back to your dashboard. So come back to your dashboard. All right, now, so the first place I want to show you now is your pages. So all those pages we imported, I want to show you where those pages went to. So this is your page. We'll go to all pages now. So these are all the pages. This is the about, this is the contact, this is the home, this is the service, and this is the wash menu. All right, guys, so if you want to, don't forget that we are told I told you something the other time, that Elementor was installed by default when we installed the starter template, and WP form was also installed when we installed the starter template. However, if you want to install Elementor, just still go to this plugin, add new, okay, and whatever plugin you want to install, just come to this place and go to plugins, go to add new, and type the name of the plugin you want. So this is Elementor here. So here is Elementor. You can see now it has been installed, it's active. So currently Elementor have 5 million active installation. So this is Elementor for you guys. So just to tell you that I don't need to install it anymore. It has been active. And if you do, if like for you now, beginner, you want to install it, no problem. From the beginning, no problem. But myself, I've done that by default. So I'll go back to the pages now. Now these are the pages of the templates we imported. So how we're going to now, the next question now is, I believe the next question in your mind now is, how am I going to, as in, change a lot of things? Because basically your business might not be car wash. Yes, it might be something else. Or if it is car wash, let's say car wash, but you have to customize it, as in you have to put your own details. You might not like welcome to whitewash, a clean car is a happy car. All right, so you might not really like this. You may prefer something else. Maybe your brand color and the rest. You get it now. So how are you to do that? And that is the work of the Elementor. The Elementor, which is a page builder, it's called page builder. It helps you to build this page easily and faster, and even a better way. So we come back to this pages now. You could see now edit with Elementor here. You could see it, edit with Elementor, edit with Elementor, edit with Elementor, edit with Elementor. So the first thing we're going to do here, now let's start with the home page. I will show you step by step on how to do all these things. All right guys, so I'm going to open this in a new tab. Open a new tab. So the Elementor is already opening up. So I'm going to show you how to go about everything step by step. All right guys, so here is Elementor, and I might not basically explain all this function of Elementor in this video, guys, but I'm going to make another video on explaining all the tools and how to use Elementor itself, because Elementor itself is a very broad page builder, very broad one. So basically you have your site here, and you want to change a few things: how to change the image, how to change the text, how to change the colors and the rest. So how do you do that? You could see from here, you see what is here now. This, if I click on this plus sign now, it's a drop down. All right, so I'm not going to if I click on that, there's a drop down, right? But right away here you could see that the other one, there is something like 6 dots there, which is edit session. There is something like a cancel delete session. So what I'm going to do now to change this image, I will hit on these 6 dots. All right, if I hit on the 6 dots, the edit session side the editor opens in the left hand, at the left hand side, for me to edit, have access to the editing. All right, so I close this up right now. So I will hit on that. So I've already hit on that. So I'll go to style. So after going to style, this is the image you're seeing here. You could see it now. So I will click on this now, and you can see free image here. Media library are the pictures. Those pictures already from the website template we installed. That is where you can find all the pictures, like all the pictures that came with the template. This is where you can find every one of them. So, and other pictures you upload rather, this is located under the media library. So, but if you want a picture, you want an image from the internet, you want to get it from the internet, go to free image and you just type car wash. All right, just type in what you're looking for and it gives you straight away what you're looking for. So I'm going to just pick one of this one here now. I'm going to pick one of this one here and hit on insert. So let's wait while the thing is changing. Insert rather. So all right guys, you could see now the image has been changed. So this is how to change your image. This is how to change the image. And the next thing here is let's look again. If you look at this now, we have the background overlay, and there's every possibility. If you look at this picture and this one we have on this side, you notice that there is a big difference. This is looking a bit kind of like something overlays on it, while this one is looking a very clean direct. So but like, this is how it happens. Background overlay, and you can see what happens here now. So I could just increase it, increase the background overlay. Just watch what happens. Watch what happens. So this is just how to do this. Just sit down with it, and you see how to go around it. So this is what happened here again. So guys, so the next thing I will show you here now is how to change your text. You want to whatever you want to change, just come and hit on it, and the editor tools open at the left hand side for you. So I'm going to type happy car happy all right. So you could see how I just changed this. Now if you want to change this one, so the same thing, you change this. All right, so you could just change this from here. You could just put any text at all as I like. Just type anything as you like. All right, so from this place you have a button here. This button is a kind of is button, yes, and you could link it to anything entirely. You could make it to anything at all. So if I click on the button, the edit button opens up for me. So we could see I could just change something like book now, or I could just say apply now. All right, so it has changed, and I could just change the default like info success. You get it now. So I could change the alignment. Now if I want to link this button to something else, like I want to link it to a particular thing, apply now, and I wanted to fill a particular form and the rest, I just have to copy the form link and drop it here. So when they click on it, it takes them to the form link, okay, the form page. So this is just how to do this. You want to change the color of this, you go to style, and you see text color, which is black. You see background color here, and you can see I've changed the background color already. So this is it here. I'm going to change it. So the color is already changed. So the color here is already changed. Here you have the over. The over means when I come and over these buttons, it changes to blue. So I could also change it also. Let me see, I'm changing it to yellow. So when I over it, it changes to yellow. All right guys, I believe you understand what I'm just showing you. So and we'll come to any picture at all. Here is another section entirely. You can just change the entire thing just the way I showed you the first one. So the next thing you're going to do here now is come down to this side. If you want to change this another section, now let me show you something. From this side, this here you have edit session. Come down to this side. This is the end of one session. So another session begins from this side again, edit session. Scroll down again to wherever you see edit session again. To this side, this is where the second session ends. Another one begins from here again and down. So this is how all these things work. So let's say you want to edit this second session. All you just have to do is to hit on this now, and for an example you want to edit the background. What you do is come to this side. Come to this side now, go to style, and you can see the image there. You want to change the image, fine, no problem. and you could see background overlay, no problem. But I'm just trying to show you how you're going to edit all these things. So the images here, you want to change the image, you want to change the text rather, just click on it and the editor opens by the left. Same thing to this. Okay, now the next thing I want to be showing you here now is now when you come to this side is a testimony side. This testimony side is also editable, just the way the text also are editable. You could just do the same thing on the image. You hit on the image, you see the image pops up. This thing is very simple. That's to tell you that Elementor page builder makes things easier and faster for you with the templates already given to you. All you just have to do, whatever you want to edit, hit on it. Once you click on it, the editor of the editor opens at the left hand side and you have your work being edited immediately. Guys, it doesn't take time at all. So you just have to sit down with it and master this and see how it goes. So the other side I want to show you now is how to edit, because I think that will be a bit difficult for you as a beginner, how to edit these parts, this footer side. All right, how to edit this footer side. So let me just show you how to do that, the footer side, and lastly this side called, okay, let me show you something now. I'm going to show you something now. This side called the header. Now, how are you going to edit this header here? All this menu bar, the rest you don't like them. What you're going to do, and the next one is this footer, this downside. So for us to do that now, we are not going to use the Elementor. Elementor really does not give us the access to do that full functionality. So all we just have to use, we want to use the theme itself, which is the Astra theme editor. So to do that now, there are many ways of doing that. You can find your path to this appearance. Under appearance, you will see customize. All right. So if I hit on customize now, so it takes me to the theme customize part of it. So we have the global. The first one. The global here is talking about like the button. This button you see here, this is, if you look at it now, you see I'm having a kind of edit icon here to tell you that I can change many things. Anyone I hit on, just the way it was in the Elementor page builder, this is where it is in the theme editor also. So if I hit on the edit icon, there's going to be a kind of editor by the left will open up for me. If I hit on this one now also, there's going to be an editor by the left to tell me that I need to change the color, the design, and the text and the number there. So if I hit on this logo now, it's going to open up a kind of logo for me that, guys, hey, do you want to change the logo of this or not? You don't get it now. So many options will be open for me. If I hit on this menu banner, it's going to tell me what exactly I am, primary menu, that I want to change the menu and the rest. Okay, if I hit on this completely, which is the primary header, it's going to tell me also that I want to increase the primary header. Like if I increase it now, you see what happened now, there's a change. Good. So guys, let's quickly show you how to do all these things step by step. So looking at this place now, if you come down here, you have your site title and logo. If I click on the site title and logo, you could see this is a logo I have with me here. This is a logo here, and this is a site title. If I don't want the site title, all I just have to do is to I'm going to off display site title. If I off it now, take it off now, it's already off. Guys, you see what just happened now. All right, guys. So the next thing, or if I really want the site title, I could just come here and just change it to white car. Okay, that's to the name, white car. So straight away the thing has changed. It's no more the same thing. So you could see now white car is already the name, but let's say we want to give it a kind of color, or we don't really like that color. The color is not making sense. So what do you do about that? You could change that yourself. So if you come this side, we don't like this color. Yeah, there are ways of changing it. You go to design. All right, you go to design. You could see design here. Then you scroll down. You could see title, color, and the rest. So this is where you want to change the title color, the font color, and the other things. So we'll come down to this place. You want to change the logo. If I hit on this now, the logo changes for me. So I'm going to import something else just to show you how this thing works. So let me just use this for this. This is not actually a real I'm just showing you a tutorial, showing you how this thing works. So if after I'm designing a site, of course it will be more better than this, far better than this. So just showing you, I'm just picking something at random. Then I will hit on the crop, and so you could see now, if it happens to be your own logo, this is how it's going to look like. All right guys, it's going to look like here. So let's say you want to change this thing here. The next one here is primary menu. You have your primary menu. Look at the primary menu here. The primary menu is actually talking about, you don't really have a primary menu here, so I think there's nothing really there, so just leave it that way. The button is the next one here. If you want to change this button, you could see this button now. I could just change it and put my contacts. Let me just remove it. If you want to change the button to a link also, okay? If you want to change the button to a link also, you could do that. Let me just put my contact there. So it's 1822527. All right, so here is my contact already on this. So if you want to change this button to a link, you could also do the same thing by coming to this place, removing this hash and pasting the link there. When people click on this link, it takes them straight away to the button, it takes them straight away to the page which you link it with. Now look at this one here. Now you have all this here. Let's say for an example, you want to change these things, you don't really like them. There's a way to go around that, no problem. I will show you. And let's come down now, down straight to the footer. Now come to this footer side. You could see you could change many things, many wonders here. If you hit on anyone, you will see the editor tools open up for you. You could change the date. If I hit on this now, you will see the date will open. The dates, you can see widget 1, widget 2, widget 3, and social media. The social media stand for these icons you see here. These icons you see here are for the social media. So if I click on this now, it opens up. You see, let me say I don't have this, I have to cancel this, I have to cancel this, and I want to put in WhatsApp. Just type, you can see WhatsApp here now. So that means I'll click on add social media. So WhatsApp has been added immediately. And let me say I want to add YouTube. So I hit on YouTube, I'll say add. So this is how this is really done. And after everything, you hit on what? Publish. All right, so your work can be published. So now come to this one, and you want to change this call toll free. So what you do here, you click on this editor tools also. You could see where you could change all these things. You could change this name, hotline. You could just change it to hotline. All right, so people could just contact you. So I just use a number to random, right, guys? So that's for that. You want to change this days, your days you work. You hit on that icon, you change it, everything here. So if you want to change this one also, there's always an icon beside it. That's just it. If you click on it, the editor will open at the left hand side, so you can just touch it just the way you like. You can see this one. If I open it now, click on it, you see, scroll down now. Okay, now the editor is already open for us here. Look at it here, it's open for us here. So if I click on this now, you see it. All right, so guys, these things are very easy and simple to do. If I click on this, the editor opens up, you can see all this now. So this is just how to edit all these things. So how we're going to do. So after you've already changed all these things you've changed in this session, always try to click on publish so your work can be saved. So if you come back to this Elementor, I will show you something now. Once you change anything on Elementor, please don't forget to always click on update so your work can be saved. I believe you really learned a whole lot of things, and in this video, guys, I will be making more video on other deeper things about website design, e-commerce, and the rest. So guys, if you really don't want to miss any of my video, I encourage you to go down to my YouTube channel, and while you're watching already, of course you're on my YouTube channel, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so each time I drop a video, you will get notified. YouTube will notify you that Tech Digital Concept has dropped a new video. Go and watch it. Alright guys, so having said that, give me a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up, so that this could also help YouTube algorithm to grow my channel. And also go down to this comment section below and do what, and type WordPress website there. Just type WordPress website there, drop it down, and see you in my next video. Bye.